weird. It must be deaf. I have whistled at it, I've yelled at it, and it's not moving. I don't get this. Very odd. Let's see how close I can get to it. Weird. That was definitely weird seeing that cat. I whistled at it, I yelled at it. It didn't even flinch. I got about maybe 6 feet away from it, then it finally saw me and ran, but that was weird. Definitely weird. That cat has a hearing problem for sure. Because most cats are like boom, right on it right away. So that was kind of odd. And I believe that is the father to our kittens that we have at the house. You guys are adorable. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah. You're a good girl. You're a good mama. They're just starting to open their eyes. These guys are adorable. And mama loves her attention. Don't you? Because he's the only orange cat that we see around here. And 4 out of 5 of the kittens, they're orange. So, kinda strange. But I moved my trail cam just over a couple of trees. Almost everything growing in where my trail cam is, it moves in the wind and it's been triggering it. It kind of sucks a little bit, but not much I can do about that. Mosquitoes are bad. I've been walking in the bush. But I'm gonna work on the hunting blind some today. It's actually very, very smoky out here today, and full of mosquitoes. They're everywhere. They weren't this bad yet for the last few days, but today it's super bad. So yeah, I'm gonna work on the blind today, try to get the roof complete, and then start working on the windows, see what I can do about those. And once I'm done the windows, it'll be basically just getting it insulated and then brought back here. Yesterday I couldn't finish because my drill batteries all died and I didn't have them all charged. So that was going to take me some time, and it was extremely hot yesterday. With the Humidex, it was, I think it was like 34, 35 degrees Celsius with the Humidex. So I just called it quits after that. But I'll just go back at it tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little bit cooler, more manageable. So here I am, I'm back down here. So today I'm going to finish up the roof. I need to get this other side up straight and then finally screwed in properly. It's just kind of just hanging there for now. Again, battery died, so I couldn't get it on there properly, so I'm gonna unscrew that, adjust it, and get it into place, and then I'm gonna do that side there and get the sheeting up there, and then I'm gonna work on framing in the glass windows for the front. After that is done, then it's just filling in all the gaps and all the finishing touches after that. All the edge pieces here have to be covered in, obviously, and I've found we have a old barn out in the field that has a whole bunch of junk in it, but there's also some useful junk in there. There's a big chunk of carpet. I may just put some carpet in here and not even attach it, just have it in there. So when we're back in hunting blind, deer aren't going to hear boots hitting the floor and stuff like that. It'll be on carpet. Last year at the hunting blind, even though we had a dirt floor and stuff, any of the leaves and stuff like that, our feet and crunch the deer, we'll all be alerted and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to eliminate as much noise as possible in here also. So with that being said, I'm gonna get to work on this thing again and keep plugging away and stay tuned. Hopefully she'll be done by the end of the week.